Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Brandon Davidson, owner of Davidson Audio. We specialize in Indian motorcycle audio solutions for the rider. Oh, there you are. Sorry, I was looking for a 10 mil socket here, which we finally found, so that's good. But hey, in this video, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be starting the build process on both of our shop bikes. And the first thing that we are gonna be doing is disassembling a handful of parts on both of these bikes, because what we're doing, taking them over to the local powder coat shop. Is we're gonna be changing the color and the looks of both of these bikes. And like I said in the introduction video to this series, we're making twins. So hope you enjoy this series. Stay tuned to see how we change both of these bikes. All right, so to get this started, what we're gonna do is the first thing I wanna take off of both of these bikes are the crash bars, both front and rear passenger saddlebag crash bars. So let's go ahead and get these off. Now the next thing I want to get off both of these bikes is we're going to take off the derby covers. We're going to take these off, and then off camera we're going to use a heat gun and take off the emblems on the inside. So now the next part I want to do is I'm going to try to get the brake arm and the shifter arm off. So let's grab some tools. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. And just like that, we have both of these bikes torn down for all the parts that we are going to powder coat this round. Now down the road, whenever we decide to get cams or a big bore kit, then we're going to do the cylinder heads as well. So let's go ahead and real quick, we'll go show you both of the bikes with them torn down and the pile of parts that we got. So on the Chieftain, we went ahead and took the turn signals off. We're going to do the housings. We got both of these covers off of the clutch side. So those are off. We got the drivers and passengers crash bars, or front and rear crash bars. On this side, we went ahead, took off the side cover, took off the little derby cover, you can call it. And then on both sides, we did the brake and the clutch arm. And then we took the handlebars off this bike as well. And over to the Challenger, we did pretty much the same thing. We got the front and the rear crash bars off the bike. We got the stator cover off the bike. We also took the handlebars off and the clutch side derby cover. We got the clutch side engine case off with the clutch and the brake side shifter levers off. And here are all the parts. So I'm not going to reveal the color of this just yet. You all are going to have to watch and stay tuned for when we pick them up and get them all reinstalled back on the bikes. So until then, I really appreciate you all watching these videos. I hope you enjoy them as much as I enjoy doing them. And please, please, please comment, like, share the videos, help grow the channel so we can do more and more content for the channel. So again, thank y'all. Bye.